What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Scott. Hopefully you guys had a wonderful week leading up to the weekend. Hope you guys relax, take some time out to enjoy yourself, your family over the weekend. Our Winner Circle exclusive forex trading group had an amazing week this week. If you're trading forex, I commend you because it is a life-changing 7-figure skill set. If you're not trading forex, if you're not learning how to maximize your investments by taking back control of your investment portfolio and trading on the foreign exchange or the cryptocurrency or stocks, IRAs, commodities, futures, however you're doing it, as long as you're allowing your money to make money for you, it is a blessing. But if you're not, if you're still stuck in today's society, in today's economy, there's new rules of making money, and the rules or the language of money is right in front of you in the foreign exchange market. Our group, we are teaching people, new members, beginners, intermediate, advanced people, how to maximize their investments and allow their money to make money for them while they sleep or enjoy their life. There is no sense for you to trade just your time for money. Allow that money that you sacrifice hard for, allow that money to make money for you. And this is one of the ways that you can do that by trading forex. This week, we sent out signals to our exclusive members group, and out of 17 trades that they took, 15 of them were wins, 2 of them were losses. We caught over 800 pips this week alone. I know some signal sources, they only get you 1,000 pips a month. We caught 800 pips this week alone, and we're just getting started. I can honestly tell you this new strategy that we just released to the team is going to create 6 and 7-figure earners inside of our group in 2019. I can bet my bottom dollar on it. So if you're looking, if you've been watching and you've been sitting on the sidelines, now is the time to start investing in yourself so that you can learn this skill set. It may take you 2 weeks. It may take you 2 months. Hell, it may take you 2 years to learn this skill set. But once you learn it, it will set you free forever. But I don't want you to learn it on your own. Get in contact with me. You can become a part of our Winner Circle group. That way, while you're learning this skill set on your own time, you at least take our signals, utilize our strategies so that you're making money on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. This is a no-brainer. If you are looking to enhance your financial stability, if you want to build generational wealth for you and your family, this is a must-have. You deserve this. You need this. You should want this. Over 800 pips gained. And just to break it down for the people that are unaware what Forex is, if you had to use your minimum risk management account, you could have had a $10 account and you would have made $80 profit off of our signals alone. If you had a $10 account, you would have made $80 profits off of your $10. I don't know where else you can do that at. So hopefully you make the right decision. Get in contact with me, leave a comment, send me a message. If you have my number, give me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. However you got, whatever you got to do to get my attention, or anybody else that's in our group, because we have other people that's in our group. You don't have to necessarily get in contact with me. You can ask other people in the group. They will tell you themselves. This is where you need to be. If you want to learn how to trade Forex, we are connected to the leading source of education. We also have higher resources within our community that has 6 and 7-figure traders. Yes, 6 and 7-figure traders in our group. We also have 6 and 7-figure entrepreneurs in our group. We got 6 and 7-figure real estate agents in our group. This is a community of winners. If you want to learn from some of the best in the industry, get in contact with me today. Enjoy your weekend. Hopefully by the end of this week or by next week, you will get inside. I'll break down the basics to you, get everything lined up so you are caught up to speed, show you the strategies that we're taking, and then you can start catching pips. We're making money over here. So regardless if you join or not, I'm not doing this for your money because you're joining. We are making money regardless. My mission and my goal, I told myself and I told my Lord that if this was given to me and the opportunity presented itself, I would do my everything to change lives one person one family, one community at a time. See you in the next video.